Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about unlocking the secrets to a vibrant and energized life. Today, we've got a game changer for all you night owls and hustlers out there. Get ready to dive into the recipe for an energy-boosting elixir that's not just a drink, but a powerhouse for your vitality. We're talking about a concoction featuring tomatoes, bananas, oats, and a touch of honey, the ultimate energy infusion for males. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's concoct some liquid motivation. Alright, let's jump straight into the magic. We're crafting an energy-boosting drink designed to fuel your night and supercharge your stamina. First up, grab a juicy tomato and slice it into small, energy-packed pieces. Next, take half of a banana and, you guessed it, slice it up too. We're not just creating a drink, we're crafting a symphony of flavors and nutrients here. Now, reach for the oats. We're talking about that wholesome goodness that's not just for breakfast. Add 3 tablespoons to the mix. It's the secret ingredient that adds a hearty boost to our elixir. Toss those slices of tomato and banana into the mix, and now it's time to blend. Take out your trusty blending machine, pour in a glass of water, and blend until you've got a smooth and creamy concoction. But wait, there's more. We're not stopping here. Add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten the deal and enhance the already fantastic flavors. Now, why should you care about this drink? Well, my friends, this is your ticket to sustained energy and strength throughout the night. It's not just about a quick fix, it's about powering through the hours with vitality. For optimal results, sip on this elixir 30 minutes before bedtime. Make it a nightly ritual, and within 2 to 3 weeks, get ready to feel the difference. More energy, more strength, it's the perfect recipe for those looking to conquer the night. So, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow night warriors, and let's toast to a healthier, more energetic you. Stay tuned for more secrets to unlocking your best self. Until then, keep blending, keep sipping, and keep thriving.